who would want to do that, you know? Hey sunshine, so I was sent over 3 fragrances from a brand called The Clone to review. The Clone is a new US indie fragrance brand which offers high quality, handcrafted, luxury inspired fragrances. First fragrance is called Thunderstorm, which is inspired by Creed Aventus. First of all, let's get into the packaging. Is this not the cutest? And these are extrait de parfums, which means that the oil concentration is higher so that it'll last way longer than just a regular perfume. Look at the bottle. It's so sleek. I love this. This is going to look so cute on my perfume wall over there. So I'm going to have to move some stuff around so I can sit this up on there. Number 93, inspired by Creed Aventus. Oh, okay. So right off the bat, right? Okay, so right off the bat, this is like a powerful perfume. It's not to be worn every day. This is like a special occasion perfume. It's very strong. In a good way though, because like only a couple squirts you'll probably need. So let me just spray. Oh, I like the atomizer on it too. It gives fresh, kind of fruity, a little bit of floral. Let me spray it on me, because you know what? It smells differently on everybody. On me, the opening is very, I'm smelling like a little bit of citrus. I'm smelling a little bit of citrus, but it's getting sweeter as it's drying down. I can really smell, let me get the notes. So the notes are green apple, bergamot, patchouli, pink pepper, lemon, violet. The heart notes are sandalwood, rose, musk, and styrax. And the base notes are amber, ylang ylang, peach, black currant, and lilac. And I can definitely smell the fruit in it as it dries down. Wow, that smells good. This is good. Now I will wear this like maybe a couple squirts to like a job interview, just because it gives boss, and it's very strong, and it's very potent. So you don't want to overdo it. I will wear this to an interview at work, anywhere where you want to feel like strong and powerful, and you want to be date night. Definitely this would smell really good on date night. I love this. Now I don't have the original, so I have nothing to compare it to, but this is good and it lasts. Oh, it smells so good. So although it's very powerful and strong, it's also very feminine as well. So I do like this. I believe you get the best of both worlds with this one. So it comes in strong, hard, but then as it winds down, it starts to be a little bit more floral, more fruitier. I like this one. So this one right here is number 93, and this is Thunderstorm, inspired by Creed Aventus. Okay, the second one is called Naked Cherry, and this is inspired by Lost Cherry. Everybody knows Lost Cherry. And I'm really excited about this one because I love Lost Cherry. So if I can get Lost Cherry for cheaper, you know. I have Electric Cherry, but I don't have the original. So let's just spray the other hand. Spray it in the air too. Oh yeah, that's good. You can really smell the cherry. You know what it smells like, or what it reminds me of? It reminds me of the Jergens. I believe it's cherry too. Like the lotion, it reminds you of that. Oh, it smells really good. As it dries down, it starts to get really sweet. I can smell like a nutty note. Definitely get hints of like the patchouli. Let me read you the notes. So the notes are black cherry, bitter almond, cherry liqueur, rose, jasmine, sambac, plum, sandalwood, belvedere, cinnamon, vanilla. So as it's drying down, I'm starting to smell more of the vanilla, and I can maybe like a hint of cinnamon. Oh yeah, that smells good. So yeah, I don't have the original to compare it to, but this smells really, really good. And I would wear this, of course, date night. This could be a daily fragrance, honestly. You can wear this every day to work. The third fragrance I have it's called Rouge Veil. And guess what it's inspired by? Baccarat Rouge. This fragrance right here is a heavily replicated fragrance, right? I don't have the original, but I do know what it smells like. So I can definitely, I'm not gonna spray it on me because I sprayed 2 other ones on me. So I don't want to confuse the 2. The 3, should I say. This one is spot on. Like I said, I don't own it, but I've smelled the original a million gazillion times because everybody has it. That's why I didn't want to get it. But this right here is spot on. Yeah, this is another daily fragrance. And people are going to think that you're wearing the original. For less. For way, way less. Way, way less. Like, me personally, I'm not the type... Listen, if they have an inspired fragrance, I'm gonna get it. Because 9 times out of 10, the inspired fragrance is gonna last way longer than the original. From my experience, I'm just saying. And because these are extrait perfumes, they're gonna last way longer than the original. You would actually have to go out and see if another brand if the original brand has an extrait perfume to get the same longevity. These give way longer longevity than the original. So you definitely get that saffron. You definitely get that saffron. Initial spray, you definitely get the saffron. And I think that's the key note. That's the keynote to Baccarat Rouge, is that saffron. So whenever I smell saffron in any fragrance, I'm like, it reminds me of, you know, the original. The dry down of this is very, very warm. Very warm. It's definitely a warm dry down. I think this one is going to be like my all over fragrance today. Yeah. Oh, I may even mix it. You know what I think? So the Rouge Veil and the Naked Cherry will smell so good together. I love mixing fragrances, and these two, the Rouge Veil and the Naked Cherry, smell so good together. Nice and fresh, because you get the cherry note, right? With the vanilla and all that in there, and the almond. And then you turn around and get the saffron and the jasmine. Thunderstorm, this girl I feel like she stands alone. She doesn't need any extras right here. She is that girl, okay? But if you're into mixing, definitely mix the Naked Cherry with the Rouge Veil. Come back and tell me how you like it. So if I had to say which one of these were my favorite, it would be Thunderstorm. It would be Thunderstorm, and I like Thunderstorm because it stands on its own. No mixing required, no mixing necessary. Okay. So let's talk about pricing. The price for Rouge Veil is only $45 compared to the more expensive original, which is currently $335. So it's really no comparison. I mean, not unless you just like the brand. I mean, I don't see why you would spend $335 on something that you can spend $45 on and smell the same. I mean, who would want to do that, you know? All 3 fragrances are $45 on cloneofperfume.com. Iconic scents, no luxury markups, smell expensive, don't pay for it.